Once upon a time, an old man and an old woman lived in a snowy country. The end of the year was fast approaching, but they didn't even have enough money to buy rice cakes to welcome the new year. So the old man carried as many straw hats as he could carry and headed out into the snow to sell them in town, which he had been diligently making every day. Unfortunately, the old man was unable to sell the hats he had hoped for when he got to town. Soon the weather started to look ominous, and a snowstorm began to fall. So the old man gave up on selling the hats and trudged home. In the middle of a snowstorm, I suddenly noticed 6 Jizo statues standing by the roadside, buried in snow. Oh, it must be so cold. At least wear this hat. The old man felt very sorry for the Jizo and decided to give him his unsold hat. He carefully brushed the snow off my head and put on the hats one by one, but alas, one hat is missing. So the old man gently placed the hat he was wearing on the last Jizo's head. The old man returned home with absolutely nothing. When the old woman heard the story, she said, "That's a very good thing," and did not blame the old man. That night, while the elderly couple was sleeping, they heard a thud outside, like something heavy being placed on the floor. What was that? He quietly opened the door, and lo and behold, in front of the house were sacks of rice, mountains of rice cakes, vegetables, fish, and even sparkling gold coins piled up like mountains. Then, beyond the receding snowstorm, he saw the backs of the 6 Jizo statues wearing those hats, quietly walking away.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.